ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We've got, say your names.
Daniel. Makai Bolden. Truman Ralph.
Emptying out his pockets.
Who do you guys nominate? I am nominating my mom, Barbara Bolden, and my dad, Nate Bolden.
I am nominating my sister, Emma Falvey.
I am nominating my cousin, Talia Wheeler.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, that's together.
Oh, you missed Danny!
That's cool.
All right, stand there. Go back, Kai. You hardly got it.
Come on, Emma, you can do it.
Ready?
Hey, Kai.
Scoot back, guys. Take a big step back. Right up against the rocks.
Already got it.
Your hair's not wet.
Come on, everybody.
Stand like on
Be
that rock, right
prepared for this.
This is hard.
Come on, Emma. Do it.
Danny still got out easy. Truman, you're a trooper. Good job.